Hello po, andito na naman po ako mag-deliver sa mensahe nyo galing sa Divine Universe, what they want you to know. Yung message for today. Okay. You need to ignore what everyone else is doing and achieving. Your life is about breaking your own limits and outgrowing yourself to live your best life. You are not in competition with anyone else. Plan to outdo your past, not other people. Keep focusing sa sarili mo lang daw, okay? Hayaan mo yung mga tao na, ibang tao na nagiging successful na, nakaka-receive ng mga blessings, ikaw wala pa, because it's not the right time yet. So, kumbaga, pinapa-remind lang po kayo, so let them do let them do what you saw to them, okay? Kung ano mang nakikita mo diyan, it's okay. You don't need to level up with them, okay? Kasi yung sa'yo, paparating naman. Okay? Nakikinig naman si Lord, nakikita ka naman nila. Okay? So, focus lang sa sarili mo, sa goals mo, only lang sa iyo. Okay? I hope someone can resonate this message. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Help me build up my channel back again. Thanks everyone. Bye for now.